Kopi balas balik lagi. Tinggal dibalas dah.
Tiba-tiba begini terus.
Hey everyone, welcome to our next episode of JMT Podcast. On episode 6 is our usual tea time sesh where we talk about all the casual stuff that, we just want to talk about. So this week we are doing it a little different. As you've noticed, this time it's nighttime. We all have our lights on. We're all in the dark, and it's a very special episode because this week we are going to talk about all the horror, scary stories that that keeps us up at night. Okay, so take it away, one of you guys, because I'm a total scary cat. So I'm just gonna sit in the corner and mute and turn my lights on when it gets too scary.
Tidak apa Jo, saya kau punya geng.
Yay, we're gonna spend the whole episode just doing this, so I don't hear what you're saying.
So anyway,
Oke.
kamu pernah mengalami atau mendengar cerita hantu yang like real, bukan yang movie punya?
I have.
I know Angel have many story.
Yeah.
All right,
Who here
Angel.
has many personal stories?
I don't know.
Am I the only one?
I
You
have
two, right? Jo?
two.
I don't have a lot. I have some.
Yeah, I have some, but
Maybe one or two. I don't have like a lot.
But like personal punya kah? Like something that you
Yes,
see?
Mine is personal one. Because I don't talk to it with other people because I'm too much of a scaredy cat.
Okay. I have a few, but I don't know which one to start with. I summarize lah, and then you guys pick which one.
okay.
I think I listed it down. Okay.
No, I will
This
semua.
Okay.
Angel,
You want semua? Hah?
Angel.
What?
Terus terang kan saya tak ada banyak experience, not even banyak, maybe satu begitu aja yang saya personal rasa. So the rest tu saya bagi kamu dengan Putu lah untuk kasih cerita. So saya sangat suka cerita hantu, tapi saya tidak banyak experience. So saya suka mendengar. Saya orang yang jenis mendengar.
To all the viewers out there, V is like a super horror fan. Like she can watch horror shows alone.
You can watch.
And
Do you have reaction kah?
Saya almost dengar si Joe mention horror, dia bilang tadi kan saya ingat horny.
No. Horror.
Stuck a little bit sini. So orang tua.
That's another episode, guys.
Yeah.
Tapi ya, saya pernah tengok satu kali kan cerita hantu sama si V, memang dia macam tidak reaction, dia tidak takut. Saya yang begitu-gitu.
I know, right? People who don't have reactions, like,
Psycho.
are you okay? Are you a psychopath?
I've seen one horror movie with Uni over here, and I don't even know what she was doing because I'm too busy covering my eyes, sinking into the seat. So I don't know. I didn't even know she was afraid of horror movies. I just know I was like protecting myself in the cinema.
Kita sama saja tuh.
Yeah.
I don't have time to look at you.
I think you must macam yang kalau kau tengok cerita hantu kan mesti kau yang gitu, terus gitu.
Yeah,
it's
always like
eyes
this.
with my own eyelids because that is what I use my finger.
Ataupun kan kasih begitu kan baju kan boleh nampak cahaya kan.
Nampak sedikit. Me is easy. I just buka my glasses and be like.
I wonder that I take my glasses off and then I close my ear one at a time so I still can hear some of the dialogue. And then sometimes I kasih like kau sengaja kasih rabun mata tuh yang.
Yeah.
Watch it
Begitu.
full on blur and be like,
So safe to say everyone penakut lah.
Yeah.
Is it? Or except for CV.
Itu nah,
He's a psychopath.
He's sitting right there in the dark.
Ini
on
saya
her
punya
own,
power.
smiling. I'm here with
That's
the
your
brightest
power.
setup.
Last
my
time
gosh.
kamu orang brand saya dekat yang millennials punya nih kan topik kan, ini saya punya power.
Tiapa. Next week kita kasih reveal kau punya
Your weakness.
Iya, Mbak. We have all your editings of you making weird. Just last week's episode pun ikaw yang cantik sejak pantat. I'm never letting that go.
Yep.
Oke,
Angel,
Angel.
cerita
Alright,
lah, cepat
okay, Angel.
cerita. Mama
Oke.
tunggu kamu.
Oke,
Okay.
kamu semua banyak cakap.
List down.
My
Sorry.
God.
List
Please.
down.
This is like my favorite topic. But anyways, yeah. How do I say? When I was small, I was able to see things. So actually, not every time lah, because some people had it was like macam hari-hari they can see. But me, I only see sometimes, and sometimes I don't even know if it's actually a spirit or whatnot because I can't tell apart. But one of the first things yang I remember lah when I was in sekolah rendah or something. So the story goes, I was in the living room. Our living room punya lampu kena off ba, and everyone's at the kitchen. My parents at the kitchen, and then we have front yard. Ya malam-malam. I tengok TV. I remember I was watching TV. Our living room punya lights off because our dining room di sebelah saja ba, and it's terang lah. And then I heard outside of front yard someone's calling like my brother punya name ba, and that's normal because usually when my brother punya friend comes over, dia panggil ba like Nel, and then I thought it was one of his friends lah. So I go keluar, I tengok, but I don't see anyone outside the gate lah, our gate, and it's gelap ba. Terus I go slowly, I walk, tengok di depan pagar kan. You know, a normal person usually his friends would stand up ba, and then mana si Nel. But this one kan, his whole body was black. Whole body. It's like I'm seeing a shadow. And then he was sitting like this in front of my gate. And it took me 5 seconds for it to register in my brain that this is not human.
I mean, kau dekat gila lah.
Yeah, outside my gate. But the gate masih tutup lah. Hello? And then when it starts begini kan,
hello?
yeah, because it did not register in my brain that this thing is not human. Because once I realized kan, because kenapa whole body dia black ba, there's no shades, like you can tell if someone's wearing clothes kan.
Yeah.
This one is just black. And then when he starts begini slow, and sudah lah dia duduk begitu,
Dia slow.
and then he begini, I terus I didn't even take the shortcut ba, I took the long way ni to masuk balik my room because I panic.
Tiba-tiba bilang Angel. Oh,
Yeah.
sampai
I ran masuk balik, and I go panggil my parents. May, tengok ada hitam-hitam di luar. I remember that's what I said. Apa? And then
You
they
remember
go
kau
outside.
berapa umur kau?
8 tahun gak? Maksudnya mendaja 1.
Oh,
maybe. Yeah.
memang susah lah.
And then my parents keluar, mana? Teda. Memang obviously lah, these things don't show to other people when you show them. So I look like an idiot lah. But anyways, that house, memang that house.
Dia apa Angel? Dia tengok mata kamu.
You guys are saying it like it's
Dia what?
common.
Apa?
Dia tengok mata kamu.
No, before he looked at my eyes, I chow already. Are you crazy? Dia begini slow, I know already it's something wrong. The moment he's turning begini slow kan, like that's not human. Run.
Kau punya muka pun bikin takut. Jangan kau kasih
Yeah,
begitu.
but whenever she does the thing, and I don't want to look.
Meremang bodoh mulut saya.
I'm too scared because I don't want to look at my own camera. Nanti it's empty room. I don't want to look at your room because I don't know what's gonna come out in your room. I don't know where to look.
But anyways, yeah, that old house of mine, memang has a history lah of stuff happening there. That's why, like, tidak berani tidur satu orang dulu. Even though my room kena renovate cantik-cantik, sudah ada carpet lagi, but I just can't sleep. There's this uneasy feeling like somebody is always watching outside my window. But after we moved, I'm comfortable at sleeping alone in my room. So, yep.
Abang
that's-
sekarang kamu boleh see things kah Angel?
Now, no, sometimes when it shows itself, but
Oh,
I
yeah.
don't see. I'm glad lah. I'm not one of those
Not-
people
not
yang
too
can see
sensitive
every day. Yeah, I know people yang memang can see every day
Yeah,
that
I know.
dorang pun don't know if
I
it's a
think those
spirit.
people call apa nama third eye yang
Yeah,
orang
third
boleh
eye.
tengok.
Yeah, mine I don't have such a thing. Like I don't need to go to like some bomo to
Okay.
close my third eye or anything. It's not.
You have 4 eyes now, so like
Yeah, I have 4 eyes. So
itulah.
Another one is pretty recent. Not really recent. It's
Can
3
can
years
you
ago.
can you cerita pasal anything yang happen in that house? I mean like
In my house?
ya yang tadi punya house
Mhm.
it's not bukan rumah kau sekarang kan? Rumah
No,
dulu
no, no,
kan?
no. It's my old house.
Apa
It's
lagi yang
in,
kau pernah nampak di sana?
well, my brother and his friend usually sleeps over bah.
Aha.
So dorang selalu balik lambat, and every night they would see this lembaga putih standing outside the door, just watching them. And then the friend is like, "Orang apa tuh?
How does the friend go home if he
Jangan layan, jangan
to
layan."
your house? Oh my god.
Dia
He
tidur di rumah.
sleeps over.
Oh.
Yeah, he sleeps over with my brother.
Imagine if he's
So-
like come and hantar kau and then I balik sendiri and then like
Oh fuck.
Yeah, I know, right? It's one thing if one person sees
dia
it,
ikut.
but this is the friend and my brother bah seeing it.
Mo.
So they're like, jangan layan, jangan layan. So
Ih.
Tengok cerita
If someone has to tell me jangan layan, I'll be so scared then and there. Like I'll be
yeah, exactly.
like,
But
dude.
you know
Why-
what's
why
the
you
worst
so
thing,
haunted?
Kak? My aunt died in that house.
Oh.
No, but it's probably not her. I don't know, but memang that thing is after she died lah. Everyone's like, "Wait, that house is haunted." And I'm like, it's already haunted before she died here, so like that's no big deal.
A lot of
But-
people are saying my house, especially the room I'm in, is like really bad.
I-
Yeah, the house that I'm living in right now, the room that you're seeing,
Oh,
people who
no.
can see, people who can see, they've told me because like when you FaceTime people or stuff, kan, people that can see say that they see it all around, and they're like, oh my god, Joe, you should like
How-
really. Yeah, I don't know. I don't. But
So
I'm
how are
like,
you so calm right now?
you know,
Terus
Kak,
kau penakut
actually,
kah?
yeah, the reason I'm penakut and I don't watch all these things is because I don't want to have pictures like my
Mm.
brain put a face on the thing that's around ba.
No,
Like
yeah.
that's why I'm so creeped out by horror movies, because once it has my brain
Once it
puts
has
a
a
face on
face.
it, kan,
Yep.
I can't even go to the bathroom and shower because I'm so scared, kan, and I see it when I close my eyes. But anyways, I was like in uni ba, actually we had a program in like this rural area, and it's like rural yang orang bilang keras ni tempat. And like back then, like I was not one of those people yang like that affected ba. Like if people were to tell me begini begitu, I'll be like, cerita saja lah. So like I don't care much lah. Like I don't go and cabar, but I don't believe it until we went to that place. And I don't know, like something happened to me. When we went back, something happened to me. A bunch of stuff happened that I had lecturers actually had to bring me to see like this ustad ba, to help me lah, because I already went for like counseling and I went for like all the possible logical thing to do, kan, and I'm like desperate ba, because at the time it was so bad for me that even I went to bed in my dorm room pun, kan, I could hear all the sounds ba, like before this I was fine sleeping in the dorm, and then but after what had happened, I could hear lah, like for real, I could hear the chairs moving. I could hear like all the almari moving around on the ceiling, and then I could even hear yang people said la guli kena buang di lantai tu. Like I could hear, it's not one guli tau. It's like if you held a whole bunch of
lot.
marbles and kasih jatuh. That's what I hear every night when I'm going to bed. And then like it didn't hit me about like what all this was until like one day it came to like doing assignments and I realized like I wasn't myself, but it was so bad, kan. Like you start hearing like things like it's your own self. I don't know, I like hasutan. I call it hasutan diri kali, kan.
Yeah,
I don't know what it
ambang bulu,
is. Yeah, so like I went to seek professional help. I went to like counseling, and then like it didn't help. So I was like, you know what? I'm desperate for a solution because I have studies, I have finals, I need this problem solved. Went lah, like I mean, it must have been a big enough problem, kan? You have to know that it has to be a big enough problem that my lecturers are taking it seriously, and like it took 2 lecturers to bring me. Like I have to be forced but to like go see this because like I want to go see, but at the same time I like skeptical but because like so I'm like fighting with myself lah about this. I want to go, I don't want to go, I want to go. So I told my friend, I was like, whatever happens tomorrow, you have to force me to go. Like I'm not being forced or by the lecturers or anyone, but I want my friend to like make sure you bring me because I do want to go. But I never have the courage to go. So I went, kan. I did the whole thing. I did everything. And then so I thought it's because I went to this rural area that the thing followed me back, because I was told like, okay, it followed me. And then like at the same time, like at the time I allowed it to enter me ba begitu. So it's like inside me lah. Yeah, it's like, and then so like I went to see all these people, and then like we have to be very open about all this lah. Then like so he's like, okay, begini, you didn't get it from the rural area that you went to. And I'm like, oh,
Oh,
he's like,
fuck.
you got this from your house. Is it
No.
outside my room? And it's like this thing, and then he's like, did you notice sebelum ni that you've been having like this kind of problem, gini. And then like, yeah lah, but it's like a common problem. Like you get all this when you're stressed out and stuff. So like I never took it seriously, but because I was like that level of like logically, that's how I
Yeah,
function.
yeah.
So like
Mhm.
I'm very, very analytic about how I do things. So he's like, well, the thing is, it's been following you around. And he's like, do you know that you always have problems in relationship and stuff? And I'm like, yeah, I noticed. I noticed that for some reason you can find anyone that's good, and I'll find a way to not like what the heck is up with your lights, man? So he's like, well, here's the thing, it's because of that, like it's kind of, it has bonded to you, but because it has followed you around for so long that when you went to this rural place, right, and it's like Keraskan, it everything there is like bigger than the thing that was following me around. So it's like it got scared, and because I'm like not that scared, or like I don't know what lah, it's like years ago ka, dia masuk dalam because it's like so scared, so it was inside me and like causing all this problem. So got it out lah. But got it out, he's like, I can't send it away because it's like dari segi religion, like you can't do much lah. I think it's something like that lah. I'm just gonna simplify. So anyway, I just assume, oh okay lah, so now I know there's one thing following me around. But I never told my family lah. I just told my fam that ada jumpa like the ustad and all. Like I just had to clear my mind lah. So they're like, okay lah. And then years later, I was told that actually kan, my mom was like, actually kan, your grandma actually like ada found like a pokok something growing out of my balcony. It's cement but like this one plant. So they pergi tebang because it's not good. It's like tempat penunggu. And like this was time kau budak lagi, kami sudah buang. Because it's not good lah to have it there. It's like attracting the tree. So I don't know. So I always thought, okay lah, it's just one thing, hasn't harmed me, until I met other friends yang have the third eye and whatever, and they're like, oh my god, Joe, like it's not just one, there's like some around. And I'm like, okay, so I don't know,
How many?
like
bro?
I'm trying to stay positive. I don't know, like that's why I said people who like can see are like saying they see it, and I'm like, oh thank god I don't see it.
Anyway,
But
Yeah.
that's just one of the story that has happened.
yang follow kau tu, is it lelaki? Why
Mhm.
you have problem with
Pervert.
Oh, yang the problem one. So that's like,
Yeah.
I don't know if that's the same one that's following me around, but it's like, I don't know lah, dia lelaki ke perempuan. I never asked because I'm penakut kan. Why would I
Yeah.
ask? I just want to know like the basic. And I was just told like, if you notice that you're always having small fights, like for no reasons and all, it's because benda tu macam jealous. Dia tidak mau kau sama orang lain. Dia mau kau sama
spend
dia
time with you
saja.
lah.
That's why they sabotage. Yeah, things
Ah,
like that. So like, yeah, so it's like okay lah, for the people who like kind of believes this thing, they'll be like, oh betul juga. For someone like me, it's like very difficult because like I
you don't
understand.
see.
I understand the whole thing because like in Malaysia, in the like, culture wise, I understand that. But at the same time, my brain, who's like always trying to be logic 24/7, is like
Yeah.
telling me, no lah, it's just psychology. You're just thinking this, gini, and like,
Yeah.
so it's like it's always been a conflict for me lah, because I would never believe until the problem happened in the rural area. So now I'm always like in this conflict with myself lah, like. It's true, but in the same way, like I shouldn't believe at the same time. Yeah, it does explain the things that happens.
Your
So far,
family jenis yang skeptik kah ataupun yang believe this
I
kind
would
of thing?
say, they're like half will be like it's psychology. The other half is like, ya lah, don't believe it too much. Tapi at the same time, jangan pula sampai kau like disrespect. I mean, like if there are things like jangan telang, like things or like what do you say? It's not rules. What? Like jangan lah pergi.
Like,
Ya, tapi
apa,
is it
ya,
wrong if you guys
belief.
macam call macam pastor or apa yang kasih like bawa sembayang
I don't
dalam
know
rumah?
because it's like
Blessing
I'm
banget.
thinking like
Hmm.
yeah, something like that kan. My mom does it like, regularly lah, like bless the house and all
Oh.
kan. In a way, it makes us feel better lah. Like my grandma comes over and stuff
Yeah.
and does the like, but we don't do it for the sake of okay mau kasih halo all this one. We do it as a like, yeah lah, it's good to once in a
Bless
while
lah,
just
yeah.
have like to bless or like to pray and all that. And I was like, I never talk about this openly, but I would always go to this with my mom. And then I pernah time budak. Time budak is a different thing. I used to wake up and see this blue figure ba. They're manusia, but it's like faceless and all, and they're blue. And it's like either there has his face on my hand and I cannot breathe. Itu yang saya terbangun, and like it's trying to point to something around the house, but and then I would like I don't want. I'm scared. I go back to sleep, and then I realize that I have like my brother who is in the opposite room sometimes see the same thing I see, but we don't talk about it openly. But so I'm like, I never told him I see the same thing, and when he tells my mom the same thing, I'm like, oh my god, what if we both see? Like, why the heck only two of us see the same thing? So I don't know lah. But anyway, this is the room where
Yeah, the whole time you're telling the stories kan, my eyes is going around your room like,
Siapa
Like, can you
yang
see?
boleh nampak tuh kasih tahu si Jo di
do
komen.
I see anything?
Please.
Yeah, and I go full around and be like, I see it.
I will
like-
only tell you after.
Yeah.
Please tell me. Don't tell me. I don't want to know. Don't tell
Yeah,
me.
actually don't tell you at all.
Don't tell me at all. Otherwise, I'm just gonna have problems with
That's
myself
why
again.
actually kan having friends who can see kan is a problem nih. Like they can
Yeah.
suddenly be like, and then you like,
Yeah,
what?
I do have one friend yang actually kami satu bilik juga, but she tend to not say it. Sebab
Ah,
yeah.
good for her.
You know, I can smell the like a few times. And I'm like, oh. Dulu I just thought it was like, oh my god, what the hell is this smell? Do you all not smell this garbage? And they're like, no. And then like a few minutes later, kan ada saja something happened. I'm like, oh. Itu time like sekolah, and then over time I realized, okay, if I smell the thing, I'll just like not say anything. So sometimes it's a problem for me because tiba-tiba my mom will be like, kau ada hidup orang kentut kah? And I'm, oh ada, I did smell someone fart.
Wait, you know, Angel, tadi saya macam yang freak out sedikit sebab kan kau punya bayang-bayang sana di dekat ujung tepi sana.
Ini.
Macam
I thought someone is
Moving.
standing Kita
I know, right? Saya pun tadi okay.
this is
That's
just
my
one of
shadow.
my stories. Now we have back to
Ooh.
Angel, and then we come back to me.
Wow, are we the only ones with stories? Boots, ada?
ada. So, ni cerita pasal waktu you saya tinggal di satu kampung ni lah, perkampungan. So, kalau di you kan dia kalau hostel ada few kampung kan. So, saya tinggal di kampung I. Si Jo, kamu semua kampung I bahkan dulu?
Yeah, I met Angel in Iba.
Tu
Yeah.
pun.
B I don't remember.
Iya.
Si B macam bukan yung kampung
I think dia kampung
B.
Iba.
Jahat toh kamu nih. Kamu tahu saya
Kampung
paling
I.
famous di kampung I dulu.
Apa
Famous sebab dia paling cantik, so dia pantat. Anyways,
Anyways, so
Okay, anyways.
ya, so saya itu first year, okay. Jadi saya punya blog nih nama dia blog B1. Dengar cerita dulu ini blog B1 ni kena tutup bah, dorang tidak buka. Tapi since macam during our time terlampau banyak student kali kan, jadi dorang buka tu blog. So jadi dorang buka balik tu blog untuk orang tinggal lah. And then dulu itu blog supposed to blog lelaki bah, tapi I'm not sure either itu yang jadi blog lelaki ataupun yang blog lelaki tu is blog perempuan. Okay. Anyway, so saya tinggal di tingkat 3 I think ya, tingkat 3. And then itu ada banyak tingkat lah obviously. So saya memang tinggal di dekat tengah macam yang tangga kan, terus
directly staircase kan?
ya di staircase tuh. And then in between blocks in between tingkat ada bilik fellow bah. So bilik
Oh.
fellow
Oh,
and then bilik student and then bilik fellow balik, begitulah. So saya tinggal di atas dan di tengah-tengah lah. Sini supposed to fellow and then sini supposed to fellow juga. So saya jenis yang suka saya hanya boleh fokus kalau semua orang tiada, bukan tiada lah, tidur lah obviously. Jadi saya akan selalu bangun untuk study around 3 begitu. 2, 3 begitulah yang tengah-tengah malam punya study lah. And then memang every time lah. Kalau macam saya study jam 3 begitu, di atas di atas bilik kami nih dengar, sebab kalau kau tengok di kampung ikan, orang punya apa tuh locker and meja nih bergabung so meja lepas tu sini kau punya macam kompartmen lah, so meaning it's heavy
Yeah,
situ
your
tempat
whole, I remember the
situ
cupboard
tempat
and your
baju
table.
kau, situ tempat kau
all
punya
one
buku ya. Jadi every jam 2 jam 3 begitu mesti dengar ada orang heret furniture di atas.
Yeah, B1. I was in B1 now when I heard all this. It's always in B1. Like there's no way you can move furniture, ba?
Yeah,
Yang
and
Every night.
oh my
Holy
god,
shit.
can you
every
see?
night.
Can you see
Kembang.
that?
When I was there every night, and my room. No, I was in A3. The A3 ka. It was in B1. Before that, I had my roommates. My roommates then was A3, and every night, the 4 of us could hear it, ba. And we'll be like, kenapa dorang setiap hari, setiap malam mau juga tarik-tarik atau rearrange dorang punya bilik. Terus my roommate was like, itulah kamu pun dengar kan? Dengar. I'm like, biarlah, bersangka baik saja. We're always doing like that. And then me being the dumbest logical one was like, true lah, dorang arrange furniture every night until I was left alone and I realized what the hell, they weren't arranging furnitures.
Oh no, why did you have to realize when you were alone?
Iya,
Ya
bodoh.
bah, lambat.
Okay, anyway, lepas tu memang few times sudah lah. Jadi saya ingat satu orang je dengar. Jadi saya tanya lah kawan saya. Terus orang pun semua dengar. Everyone dalam tu bilik kan, dalam di kampung that time
12
dia punya
people, kan?
dia punya bilik kan yang macam rumah ada bilik. Itu buka, lepas tu tempat kasut-kasut, and then ada 3 bilik, and then ada satu panjang punya tandas. So kami tanya kenapa ada orang di atas tarik-tarik, kenapa hari-hari begitu. Sekali dorang cakap di atas tu tiada orang, itu sepatutnya bilik fellow. Pokima dia
I was just gonna ask you to yang wait, bukan 4th floor memang kosong kah? Because you're on the 3rd floor kan? Like what the hell? Yeah, it's empty.
Oh my god, my head.
No.
You guys ever go up kah to see? I went
Saya
up.
tidak pernah.
The doors are
Ada orang
locked.
kasih tahu saja. Ya, tapi memang
The
macam kami ada naik
realization.
Tapi ditangkap je lah, tidaklah pergi tukar pi mana ka.
You guys are the final people to get to the stairs too. Like you guys are the final one to reach the top of the stairs. No one
Yeah.
else goes up anymore. It's just you guys next.
Kembang kan? Okay, and then after that, lepas tu, and then kan saya paling tidak suka kalau waktu belajar yang tengah-tengah malam tu kan, you have a feeling yang someone watching you.
Just watching you.
Yeah, because kami satu rumah, satu bilik tu kan yang berapa 12 people tu. Kami kawan so kami tidak tutup pintu. Kami memang always buka pintu labang-labang lah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
we all friend, we eat sama-sama begitu yang kami make up sama-sama. So
Shop, I've been to your house in the morning.
Yeah.
They all get ready together. Like it's all
Wow.
12 people are so close with
Wow.
each other
Yeah.
kan? That
kau pernah pergi bilik kami kah?
Pernah, I went like you were in one room, I was like in a different room kan?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
like that's why you guys can always
We are
go
sharing
in
lah.
between rooms. Yeah, you share the same house but
Yeah.
different rooms.
Ya, lepas tu kami memang buka pintu, and then every night mesti macam kau ada rasa kau tidak mau pergi toilet, so di paling hujung punya toilet tu macam ada something yang macam
bodoh.
yang
There's
ada
anyone
someone
yang go to
watching you, and then waktu kau study pun macam ada something di pintu macam yang, but saya macam mana mau cakap apa, saya bukannya skeptic, tapi I believe
You
in
ignore
ghosts,
it.
but I don't want to macam
Layan.
layan
Layan.
sebab dia bikin saya takut. Jadi every time saya takut saya akan
Exactly.
tidur. So meaning I don't have
Same.
I don't saya tidak dapat mau study lah.
I'm very
And saya
skeptical.
punya saya punya meja tuh betul-betul sebelah tingkap.
Tingkap.
Oh my
Same.
And then the tingkap is hutan.
And hutan.
Oh yeah, you guys look at the hutan. I forgot. My
Yup.
tingkap looks at the road, so it's okay.
What? Lucky. Yeah,
Yeah.
speaking of the Kampung I kan, oh my god.
Banyak
What
isu.
And I
happened
was
to you?
sleeping alone. You guys pernah sleep alone kah? In your room.
No.
This one I remember. I just remember. Maybe I deleted it from my brain because it was like
Yeah.
scary.
Memang
Lah,
I
it's not
have few
important.
lah di dom tu.
Yeah, but mine is Kampung I, but I don't remember which block lah. But memang I was sleeping already with it. I was sleeping already. And I think it's around memang 3 or something. 3, 2, I terbangun because I heard scratching noise
Oh, fuck.
right beside my ear.
No.
Di dinding. Yeah, di dinding.
Dinding.
Because kan the bunk beds kan, nobody is in there. I don't remember where everyone was. Macam dorang balik sudah kah or something.
Why you don't
But
balik?
I was alone. I don't remember why I didn't
Maybe
balik. Macam I
exam.
got taper kah? Yeah, macam I
Yeah.
got taper. Then I heard scratching noise. Like how can you hear scratch noise in concrete walls ba? Terus I'm like, terus I try to ignore kan, but makin berpeluh saya because I'm like, this
It's
doesn't
panas
sound
juga
right.
di Kampung I.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
like
Terus-
super hell panas.
And then I go turn on the lights kan. Saya tengok lama-lama. Tidak ada bunyi. Lama deh saya duduk. Okay, so maybe I'm just imagining it. I go off lampu, tidur balik. The scratching noise continues. Bloody shit. After that kan, macam 2-3 kali bah. I turn on the lights, I go dengar balik. I'm like, am I crazy or something? Whenever I baring balik, the scratching noise tampak kuat deh. Terus rasa saya on lampu. Saya tidur
Did you try
with the
putting
lights
your ear
on.
to the wall just to make sure?
Are
Kali
you
you
crazy?
to the wall kan?
Kamu
Terus-
nih
Ya, ya, ya.
macam
Tiba-tiba.
white people lah si Joe nih. Bila
Ya,
dia
and then-
makin lagi mau ke siapa?
Wah.
And then I ask.
Yeah.
Yeah, curious.
I'm
Bodoh.
dead.
Anyone
Pergi
home?
investigate
Anybody
nih
home?
bodoh. Yeah,
And
I
then-
do that.
and then-
So
orang
stupid.
begitu.
That's why, but I'm like, I'm just gonna ask it tomorrow. The next day I go to bilik sebelah lah. I go test. Kamu ada buat scratching apa kah? Who would be scratching deh sih. Terus kami try. Memang you cannot hear.
Yeah.
Imagine
Because
you
that
hear
sound
the
is
scratching
exactly
kan?
me.
It's not
Yeah.
it's not even kayu.
Kopi
Yeah,
balas balik lagi. Tinggal dibalas dah.
Tiba-tiba begini
Bodoh.
terus. Oops.
Tiba-tiba dari dinding.
Tiba-tiba. Together.
Ouch. Ouch.
This is supposed to be
Together
scary. Why you make it
This is supposed to be scary.
funny?
Because I don't want to be scared people.
Yeah, I know, right?
You
Oh
know
my
Kak,
God.
I was never scared. Yang
Try to hide.
uni kan, like in uni, I tidur kan. I was the person yang if anything is scaring anyone kan, itu orang akan like wake me up. Saya pernah dia terbangun kan, like asrama kan, so like it's 4 in a room. Satu orang tuh bangun and dia kasih bangun sa, like Jo, and like boleh kasih tidur sebelah kau. And I'm like so sleepy kan, I'm like, okay, I tidur lah. Sekali I bangun kan, I was confused nih. Did anyone actually come to sleep with me at night ke tidak? Like who the heck did I sleep with? Betul-betul
What?
kan? Dan I tanya kan, kamu udah kasih bangun? Oh, saya anu kali. Oh ya, sorry, saya batu yang tengah malam. Tiba-tiba pergi sambung tidur sebelah.
Okay, V,
I was
you
that unafraid. I tidak peduli whoever mau tidur sebelah saya, tidurlah. I just want to sleep.
kau V
Bayangkan
tidak
kamu
cerita.
rasa benar dia tidur dengan kau kan, and then
It's not
taking
human.
out someone.
Sial kau.
Ya, bah, rupanya it was never anyone. It was something else with long hair yang mau ikut join saya tidur
Malis.
satu bantal, satu sleeping
Don't want.
together.
Bavi, you have any story?
Yeah. Ih. Gitu
Saya
lah.
enjoy cerita kamu. Saya tidak tahu apa saya mau cakap sudah.
You don't have
Tapi
any
yang
personal
ini
stories?
tidak totally seram lah. It's just that masa saya tahun I think it's 2019, end of 2019 lah. So saya pergi kerja luar bang. So bila kami sampai tempat nih, actually tidak lambat sangat kami sampai. It's just that perjalanan pergi tempat penginapan kami kan lambat. So kami sampai about not exactly tengah malam. I mean like dalam jam 11 lebih begitu kami sampai hotel tuh. Sampai di hotel kan, by that time kamu ada briefing apa semua macam tuh. Dan sampai kami dekat bilik kami kan, tingkat kami actually atas bah, tinggi. And then after wash up apa semua macam tu kan, saya duduk lah, I'm having my hot drinks dengan saya punya biscuit sebab tengah lapar tengah malam-malam. And then kamu tahu tingkap hotel kan, dia besar bah di luar. Saya duduk sana sendiri-sendiri, kamu tahu bila orang meninggal tuh ada orang menangis untuk dorang kah? Yang bunyi dia.
Oh my god, miss.
Bunyi dia yang macam
I don't want to know.
No. You don't
I'll
need
watch
to
it in
demo
I
it.
watch it in the YouTube. I don't want to know what sound she's making.
You
yang
just explain
something
Don't-
macam tu kan. Bayangkan hotel tu hotel yang bagus. Usually kalau macam tu kan bunyi dia tidak berapa kuat sangat Pak. And
Yeah.
imagine saya di tingkat yang tinggi. Di bawah tu
Ada
jalan
bagus.
raya. Macam mana saya mau dengar? Macam mana saya boleh
Oh,
terdengar
what did you
benda.
do lah?
Ya.
Saya
Ya,
makan
apalah.
saya punya roti.
Memang psycho.
But then no.
Psycho.
It's just that I
Psychocat
know it's
eating.
something. I know it's something. It's just that
Tidak
satu
lain.
mungkin sebab saya lapar,
Yeah.
and then saya ngantuk sangat. So after saya makan, saya bersih gigi, so saya terus tidur. Itu je lah. Nothing so special about it. It's just that bila saya dengar bunyi, the thing is bukan perempuan lah yang nangis.
Oh, muka kau pun
laki.
macam mantuk kindet.
Ya, but I don't want to look at her.
Oh ya,
rambutnya.
satu lagi, cakap bila saya macam muka hantu kan, masa kami sekolah dulu tahun 6, kami ada project. Hold on.
Me, why?
What happened?
Tiba-tiba, what happened? I don't like this.
I don't like this.
I
What
don't
happened
Kenapa?
to you? Your face is so scary.
Bodoh,
Can
saya
you
punya
turn on the
lampu
lights?
bodoh. Scared of everything now.
Dude, why tiba-tiba everything enhance nih the scariness? I don't know.
I was doing so
Alright.
well.
Back. Okay.
Begini-gini
Cakap
sudah
pasal
mesti
muka
to
saya.
myself.
Aha.
So masa kami tahun 6 dulu, kami adalah buat satu project ni, which is kami call, bukan kami call lah, I mean banyak sekolah-sekolah di bahagian pendalaman kan, dorang berkumpul di tempat satu area ni, yang dekat mau ambil UPSR bah. So ada few
we do.
sekolah yang do this
We all
program.
do that, have that, ba?
I have no idea
Yeah,
what that is.
for the whole year bah, for the whole year kamu stay dekat satu pusat ni.
Oh, ya
So,
kan?
Okay,
yeah.
no.
So top 10 dalam sekolah tu kan, so dorang akan join this program. So kiranya macam yang terpilih lah yang join this program. Dekat pusat ni kami akan belajar sama-sama. Sepanjang kami tahun 6 tu. So dulu kamu tahu lah, kami selalu eksperimen cerita-cerita hantu. Bila ada kumpul dengan orang-orang ramai kan, yang lain-lain tu kaum iban apa semua macam tu, start lah kami eksperimen ni, gosok limau dekat cermin lah supaya mau tengok hantu, ataupun ambil darah sendiri letak di penyapu lah macam tu.
Yeah.
And then this one time, masa tu
Berani.
pun cerita Pontianak Harum Sunda Malam, the famous. And then saya pula masa tu penari. Kami kan selalu make up lah, menari-menari. Pakai pensel Luna tu kan, kasih color mata kami. Betul yang mereka.
Kau jangan nyanyi itu, kau jangan nyanyi itu. No, 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 no.
I'm muting you.
I've never seen the movie, so I don't understand.
So yang tu kan,
triggers a trauma
Bila-
with the song.
malam-malam kan kami menari tarian tu. Sampai ada satu warden kami tu, dia buat rondaan. Saya tidak juga rapat sangat dengan tu warden, tapi saya bercakap juga lah dengan dia. Sampai the next day ni, tiba-tiba dia macam tidak tegur saya, and then dia macam tengok saya lain-lain. Saya dapat rasa there's something off, the connection between kami dua.
Rupanya
Kamu tahu
tidak pun warden
dan-
yang aku bercakap.
No,
Shit.
kamu tahu rupanya kenapa?
Kenapa?
Few student yang rapat dengan dia kan, dorang bagi tahu the warden tu, the malam yang dia on duty pergi check tu, dia tengok someone macam muka saya, and then dia ingat tu saya. And then masa saya
Sedih.
tengah berjalan pergi apa tu kan, pergi tempat lain tu kan, dia follow sebab dia ingat saya pergi keluar ke apa. Dia kan warden, dia check lah. Kamu tahu dia tengok saya menghilang dekat mana?
Di mana?
Ada satu bahagian tong sampah, tempat pelupusan sampah sana kan, dekat dengan pedofil orang kampung dekat sana. Kamu tahu saya menghilang dekat sana. And then after tu, the next day ada student jumpa saya duduk di tangga. Itu student lagi, bukan the warden.
Kenapa
So,
kau?
dua kali. 2 kali lah orang tengok muka saya. Mas
Bye.
Darwin.
I don't wanna tengok muka kau. Bye.
Dia ada juga lah. I mean,
I'm not even I cannot hear the whole. I tidak sanggup dengar the whole thing. I stopped listening at
Nih,
Ustad, and then I don't know what happened sudah, and then something
I
called Samba,
don't know
and then
how
Tangga,
I
and
want to
like,
edit this
belum
video.
habis cerita.
no,
With light
Vi,
on.
Vi, it's-
And then
In the morning.
the weekend tu, one of student punya datuk, dia macam bomo lah sebab ada kaum Iban di sana kan. So dorang percaya dengan kalau ada something macam tu terjadi, kamu ambil duri limau tu semua ikat di pintu. Kamu tahu masa datuk tu datang buat macam tu dekat pintu asrama kami kan, dia tengok saya lama macam tu without anyone bagi tahu dia kan, dia tengok saya lama. I mean saya banyak bawa orang kami sana, and then saya one of the people yang tengok dia buat macam tu kan, dia tengok saya.
you know,
What do you feel?
you should be on.
Kenapa kau
Pas
zoom
dah
in
hantu pilih.
tiba-tiba?
And then
Pas dah hantu pilih your face.
Ya, tapi lepas tu after tu macam okay sudah isu dia, tiada juga apa-apa. It's just that saya famous dengan muka macam tu sejak lah. And then
tapi
lama-lama
is
after tu
it orang ada kasih tahu why this thing copy
Tidak.
your face?
tiada. Even the warden pun dia tidak pernah directly bagi tahu dengan saya ni. Cuma sebabkan ada dulu kamu tahu ada cikgu kan yang rapat dengan pelajar kan. So pelajar yang rapat dengan dia tu lah yang bagi tahu dengan saya. Tu warden nampak someone macam muka kamu, dia cakap macam itu. And then dia menghilang. Dia follow. Dia ingat tu saya. So that's why dia follow. So dia pergi hilang.
Kalau kau
Tapi
bayangkan
tidak
She's
pernah
smiling
saya
while she's talking about this.
I know, right? Psychopath.
I'm over here zoning out on my own.
Nih,
because I wanna
hearing it
sleep.
in HD.
I want to be able to sleep tonight, people.
Okay, Angel.
What? Oh ya.
Next story.
Speaking of ambil muka kan? Oh my god, ambil muka. Taking
my
the
God,
face of
ini.
someone. I
Mhm.
remember time camp yang you were about to mention Puts.
Camp Cemerlang kan?
Camp sekolah. Ya, camp sekolah. Time sekolah rendah betul kan?
Iya, sekolah rendah. Form 6,
Yang
darjah 6
di-
tuh.
Kita sleep over in the school kan?
Iya,
Semua.
iya, iya.
I never had. Oh, I was never smart.
Yeah, we
then.
had that.
No, it's not.
Camp-
Bukan sebab
I think I
kos-
tidak ingat ba. I remember my brother had it. I don't remember me going to sleep over in the school.
Anyway, kau
I don't
punya,
know.
kau masuk sekolah yang Christian punya kah?
No. Oh, Angel kah?
Angel,
ba?
kau
Jo. Mo,
Yeah.
Me no. Mine is sekolah SK Payan.
oh.
It's a Malay school.
Mine is like biasa-biasa. SK biasa saja.
Then
Yeah.
it's not about
Yeah.
Christian schools.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway.
Yeah, no. So anyways, yeah. We had that camp and then memang we sleep over lah. So this one I remember because I was there. Time makan siapa nih? So everybody has to turun from the blocks kan, everyone sleep in classes.
Yeah.
Everyone turun blocks, semua pergi kantin.
Yes.
And then I bumped into my friend. And then si tinggal di atas, si macam panggil kawan ba, "Wih, turun makan," si se. Terus saya, siapa aku panggil? So tinggal lah, adalah kawan dia yang ada punya best friend ba.
Hmm.
Terus kami panggil lah, "Wih, turun makan." Yang kami heran, why are they there? Time gelap sudah ba, the whole block kena off lampu. Everybody has to turun.
Yeah. drop a scene.
Tiba-tiba the two exact people came from that way ya, pergi panggil dia. Terus kami tengok, terus berlari.
And then after that kamu
Waduh.
tengok orang masih sana kah?
Tidak, kami
What the
tiada sudah. When kami tengok balik tiada. That's the moment when we saw them walking towards us. It's weird when she saw it, but when I see it, terus kami ingat betul-betul orang. What the hell? Terus sana panic and then yeah, two people they were standing there close to each other lah, macam pakai baju putih. What the shit?
fuck.
Yeah, but anyways, that whole camp memang haunted lah because God, that school is haunted as fuck.
Yeah.
think
My
every
school
time-
too.
Oh, I don't.
Your school di
So
mana?
it's SK
Ada
Stella
hantu di
Mari.
sekolah betul toh?
SK Stella
Ada
Mari.
hantu di
What? Vi, shut up.
Apa Vi? Tiga kali
wanna
dia
hear
sebut. I don't know if I want to know what she's saying. I'm
Yeah,
like
you
at
don't
the
want to
point
know
kan,
what she said.
do I want to ask apa dia cakap?
No, no, no.
Bodoh.
Kau
Bilang
jangan
nak
menggila
asus.
ya sana.
Jangan.
Bukan
Yeah.
itu point of this apakah? This this
Tapi
station,
just
this time.
cry.
Carry tutup ke body.
But now tambah bikin takut.
Masalahnya
What the
kan,
hell?
orang-orang di sini penakut.
Iya.
Jangan.
Okay, and then
Bodoh.
after that.
There was the next day memang banyak haunted apalah I mean cerita hantu from everyone else. Everyone had not everyone lah. Me, I slept at the hujung sini store Budu because nobody berani tidur dekat the
Bodoh.
store. They
Never,
said
no
they
one
can-
wants to sleep near the store. Kenapa kamu tidur dekat store?
Yeah, I was bullied into sleeping there because nobody else wants to. They're like, isi Angel mau tuh, kima ba orang.
Oh,
betul. When I remember balik kan betul. They were so
Apalah saya
mean
begitu
nih.
butuh dulu.
Yeah, but it's so
Ya ba,
mean.
and I had to sleep dekat the store. Store dia berbuka lagi, yang tapi sana there's a stack of chairs. I remember seeing feet in the
Bodoh.
store.
Bodoh. I don't
Pada
want to
tiga,
know
terus I'm like,
any of it.
bye.
Ih,
Balik-balik already I like that. When I'm sleeping, I always see something. Shit.
Bodoh.
Tapi kan cara
I always kena tindih.
oh ya,
No, that one I never.
I always think I'm tired because back then I used to do so much like studies and then sports and then I do other things and then I only sleep and then I Netflix and then I do so much kan I only sleep berapa jam so I always kena tindih ba. And then pernah now I'm not it's PKP kan masih lah ya boleh kena tindih-tindih I'm like what?
What?
Yeah. And I
Yeah,
hate
it's
it.
definitely your house.
ya. Siapa nak cerita pasal tindih juga lah.
I need to get a bigger bed so we can share the bed kali.
Yeah. What you ngeliatin deh?
Ya, saya pernah ini cerita pun masih lagi kita di kampung I, milik
The notorious company.
blok.
Back to kampung I.
Ya, we back to kampung I. So, petang-petang nih kan saya after class lah. So, most of my friends memang ada sudah di bilik lah. So, kami macam nap lah. Ada satu kawan saya, dia ni 1 tahun sama kita, tapi dia a little bit older lah. And then dia tidur di katil saya, dia tidur di atas ya, kan kita kan double deck. Jadi saya punya katil di bawah, tapi kan sangat panas bah kalau kok tidur di bawah.
Ya,
Jadi
panas.
saya tarik tuh saya punya tilam pergi lantai. And then
Bodoh, you're not scared of under the bed?
Yes.
I'm
Exact
not scared
question.
about the under the bed. Under the bed. Anyway, jadi itu kakak tuh dia tidur di atas lah obviously kan. So petang tuh kami semua tidur nap and then saya kena himpit but saya pikir ini mungkin yang sleep paralysis.
Oh, sleep
Sekejap,
paralysis.
yang-
Yeah,
yeah,
I always think that
but-
juga.
Di mimpi saya vividly
Oh my god.
Dia yang cerita, dia yang anu.
Lo baru sendiri.
No, I remember, saya mimpi kan someone ada satu perempuan pakai baju putih, rambut panjang, kejar saya sampai saya jatuh di dalam satu pool, and then di pool itu pun dia masih ada juga, and then saya sadar yang itu kakak ada di sana. I mean, like I know the setting, and then I'm trying to kasih bangun myself, but I
do
cannot.
that time juga. Force myself to wake myself up.
Yeah, I cannot. Macam yang bangun like that, tapi cannot. And then macam saya rasa macam ada orang begitu di Anusia, yang macam yang dari oh my god,
Hell nah. Nope.
dari kepala
Nope.
saya begitu.
Nope.
Terus saya terbangun begitu. And then and then it's so fucking scary, and saya kasih bangun semua orang. Lepas tu so I thought it's sleep paralysis lah, mungkin kita kan uni life kan, so it's so
Yalah.
tired. Lagipun kamu kena jalan kaki keluar lah apa, you know lah, kalau UMS, oh my god, so jauh. And then after that saya tidak percaya lah kan, mula-mula mungkin itu mimpi saja. Sekali mungkin malam tu ada lebam di kaki saya, ada macam ada marking. So dorang cakap if kau mimpi kena himpit and then you got the mark lebam and macam ada titik begitu, it's kena himpit lah. It's something. It's not sleep paralysis.
I always have lebam all over my leg and I'm thinking like, apa saya buat? Saya langgar kaki saya sendiri kan ni every night. Every day ada je new bruises and like bodoh.
Yeah, I remember you memang banyak bruise.
Yeah, now
be
pun,
positive
like,
about it.
aside from the one yang sendiri saya jatuh, I know lah where the bruise is. But if I get bruises yang other places kan, apa ba ni? And I touch kan, it's like dia tidak sakit. And people like,
Yeah.
kalau di bruise tapi tidak sakit itu anu tu. I'm like,
Ya. Yang main tuh dia besar, ada marking, and then dia tidak sakit. So
But it looks bruised and I'm like, oh.
Yeah.
since that kakak kan memang dia pandai, dia tahu bah, dia nampak
Oh.
kan. But then never tell us bah. Yang until macam yang third year mau hujung habis-habis you sudah baru dia kasih tahu yang she can see, and then she can see a lot begitu, but dia just choose not to say things lah sama kami. Tapi itulah, itu memang scary lah. Even saya rasa mungkin ada orang cakap it's not kena impit lah apalah, tapi it's so fucking vivid bah, macam mana, oh my god, mungkin takut.
I always tell myself it's sleep paralysis, and then I try to force myself to wiggle my toes, tapi indah juga bangun-bangun.
I try to wiggle my toes, tidak dapat bangun.
Punya setakut, like in those dreams I'm so terrified, but at the same time I'm like, come on, just wake up. Like I'm awake, tapi like in my dream I'm awake, I'm aware it's not
Kamu
real
pernah
lah,
Sometimes
tapi
kamu sedar
I can't
kan
wake
tuh,
myself.
sometimes kamu sedar tuh yang kamu apa perlu bangun, but then when
Yeah,
you try
but
teriak
tidak
atau apa
dapat kan?
macam that, you just couldn't.
Kau
Yeah,
pernah kena
I
impit?
get it.
Tidur siang sama juga lah macam cerita kamu gitu-gitu lah, tapi no bruises,
like-
so probably just letih lah.
I pun do that. I'm just gonna shrug it off as letih. Speaking of
Yeah.
sleeping on the floor in college, ini dia bukan cerita hantu, but every night it gets creepy bah, because roommate saya ni yang satu dia sleep talking bah.
Oh my god.
Bergerak
the
bah.
worst.
Ya. But dia punya sleep talk kan, it's always talking to someone bah. And dia ni jenis tidur awal bah, because dia like one of those really smart courses punya students. So kelas dia memang like 8 in the morning is always first class. The first class is always yang awal pagi tu, and they have to study so much. So they always tidur awal lah, like 7:38 begitu memang confirm tidur. So the rest of us yang don't sleep early, awake lah kan buat kerja, so they akan sudah tidur. So when it gets like 9-10 kan, it's still early for us, they start sudah bercakap. And it's always like dia bercakap sama orang bah, like tidak mau, nantilah lepas, jangan kacau, nantilah, and then they tidur. So my other friend, they're like, okay saya mau tidur, dia tumpang lah tidur di lantai, because so dia tidur di lantai. This kawan yang sleep talking, bunk bed bottom row, kawan kedua tidur di lantai, beginilah close kan. So dia baru mau tidur kan, malam sudah we all sleeping, tiba-tiba the one on the bunk bed was like turn kan, bangun mata dia turn at the one yang tengok tidur di lantai ni. Dia smile kan,
Oh my
mari
god.
main. They're like, mari main. And she's like, oh god, dia takut. Tapi dia tak tahu apa mau buat, because she's sleepwalking, tapi like moving. Marilah main. And it's like, tidak mau lain kan. Last dia pusing sendiri, terus dia macam memarah. But every now and then, dia akan like sleep talking yang macam bergaduh marah-marah bah. Dia cakap Cina, dia cakap Melayu. And most of the time, I don't know what she's saying. So it's like, ya lah. So we're like, gila. Dia ni hebat, dia punya sleep talk yang satu badan bah, moving around.
my
and
God.
the
Ada
bed.
orang gitu.
Yeah.
I would
But
have
I'm
punched her
saying,
so
like,
fast.
yeah, they move so much. And I'm like, but her one is bukan like cerita horror. Her one is like, it creeps people out.
I know. I
Sometimes.
can't. Like,
Yeah.
okay. Anyways, this one is 3 years ago, 4 years ago, in Ranau, in somewhere in I don't know if this is a known punya place to tinggal, but it's like rumah satu-satu, and it's besar bah. There's a fireplace lagi, and we got it like a really good deal lah. But macam tidak ramai orang deh. The rumah sebelah adalah macam one family, but the rest of the houses macam empty kah, and it's been empty for a while lah. So we got there, we just masuk lah, gila, like we just ambush lagi bah, like tiada lagi minta izin. You know how usually you say if you go to a place yang lama tiada orang pergi minta izin. So we had fun lah for the rest of the day, and then at night my aunt kena hysteria because she said she saw something di luar dekat balcony, and she started screaming. She started screaming, and then everyone start panicking lah. So she said she saw this lembaga. She didn't really say lah, she just said she saw something there, just standing there watching her. So because of that, everybody started moving their bed keluar pi ruang tamu. So everyone tidur di ruang tamu lah, except for us. Me, my mom, and my sister, semua kami masih di bilik bah. And then we can see the people outside. We left the door open so we can see people outside sleeping. I know memang everyone already sleep already at that time, because you can hear people snoring lagi. And then it's like gelap. I terbangun, and I saw in my view begini, limpas me, right in front of me. This white thing just floating masuk pergi the toilet sebelah saya. Because the toilet is behind my head bah sini.
Why
Terus
do
saya
you,
nampak
why
dia
do you
floating.
sleep in the scariest position?
Yeah,
Sebelah
I have-
stall, belakang tanah, so
Yeah, this one kan the head of the bed sini, and then the door to the toilet sini. So
I would-
the thing is just floating like this.
I don't want.
And I'm
I
like,
Ih,
that's not human. A human would walk.
iya.
right?
bah,
This one is just begini, smooth nih.
smooth say.
Terus saya like registering it in my brain kan. Okay, that's not normal. Terus saya pusing. I
It's like,
pusing.
okay, that's not
Yeah.
normal. Then dia lagi tang forever. The people look out dari tepi.
Tai kena tampar.
I was panicking that it would do that. Like it would know that I acknowledged it. So they would pergi show itself.
Yeah,
Then I
but
just
they
put
always
my
jangan
voice like that.
acknowledge. They know it.
Yeah,
If you
they
can
say,
see,
yeah, exactly. That's my reaction every time when I see these things. I just pretend like I don't see them. So next
Nothing.
morning, I didn't say anything. I didn't tell people. And then up until they were talking something about it, balik lah. They said some people saw something in the hallway. But then I said, I actually saw something last night, and this is white thing floating. Terus Tera betul. Ada orang sih pakai jaket putih kah? Tera. Terus I was thinking memang it's someone who's wearing baju putih aja bah. Skeptic kan, like I wanna believe it's not human. Okay, fine. So we let it go. Weeks later, keluar in Facebook kah a review of that place. Someone, another family lived in that place, and they said that exact same thing yang I saw. A white thing floating
Jual, jangan
in
lah.
that house. Terus I'm like, bye. Forever.
Bodoh.
So yeah, the moral of the story is if you see something, you pretend you don't see it. Cause
You know,
That's-
kalau
that's-
I used to macam yang if I kena macam I takut kan, and then I tidak mau bergerak ke atau apa, I just like close my eyes and then stay.
and then yeah, pretend.
Berdoa.
Pretend
Betul.
like you do.
When I get
Yeah.
scared,
Pretend.
I to sleep, close my eye. I like make sure my selimut kena tuck under my leg, under my arm yang betul-betul macam mummified tu yang
Me
orang
too.
tak boleh
Oh
tembus.
no. Yep.
Yang macam corpse bah kena balut and my
Ih.
kepala, and then it's so hot. I
same.
don't care. Saya berpeluh. I'm gonna force myself to sleep in that
Same.
blanket cocoon.
Ya.
Because I know
Actually-
nothing is going to come into my blanket.
Saya
So you
takut
mean you
nanti
tidur
dia
like that until
notify.
now? Yeah.
Saya takut
Apa,
kalau saya
Puts?
bergerak dia notify sebut saya tahu dia ada situ. Jadi saya
Oh,
stay
bud.
still,
Oh, bodoh.
close my
Same.
eyes.
But exactly like Joe, because of me being able to see it since kecil kan, sampai sekarang saya tidur tutup begini. My mom heran, kau boleh bernafas kok Joe dalam selimut? Boleh, saya biasa sudah. Because I'd
You
rather
don't know
hide
how scared
myself.
we are. And you know, I don't sleep like that lah. I sleep like biasa, but I still have to tuck my legs into the blanket. I like okay lah, but kalau boleh I don't want to wake up. I don't know, like so far right now I'm doing so much better with the sleep and everything lah. Lepas all that has happened to me, so I'm like, oh thank God. Tapi if people start bringing it up kan, and then I
Yeah.
feel it again kan in my room, then I'm like, oh
Tell us
God, it's
tomorrow.
back.
Okay, you guys pernah satu bilik sama yang Muslim bahkan di dom?
Wait, let me
Mhm.
think.
Oh, kau
Yeah.
pernah jawab kan? Oh,
I'm the
my
only
first year
Christian
semua
in my room.
Christian. My second year I was not there much. Ada. I think my name J bah, so like banyak yang Christian like Joe.
Oh.
Joe. Banyak like I get group with the Kadazan non
Ah.
mostly.
So, yang waktu first year tuh kan bukanlah every time lah. Jadi kan memang we know that block B1 is haunted as fuck. Oi,
Why?
Oh,
Yes.
why?
Suara jantan.
Bukan itu isu dia.
bikin takut.
Dia out of
Yeah.
nowhere kok
Out of
begitu.
nowhere, bodoh.
Dengan long hair.
Dulu bah, sudah lah.
Kenapa kau bergelap berlipstick merah with the long hair? Why? Can you explain that?
Okay, anyway, so kan we all know yang dalam satu rumah tuh, satu bilik tuh tahu yang kejadian yang anu lah, yang the furniture moving things apalah, and then the scary toilet. So,
Aduh,
dorang
Jok,
akan
nasi
dorang
lemak
akan
lagi.
anu, apa tuh?
The makcik nasi lemak lagi.
Oh yeah, that one lagi. Anyway, I don't want to talk about that. It's so fucking scary. Jadi dorang akan pasang Yasin, bah. You guys know Yasin, right?
Oh ya.
I'm not, I don't know how. I mean like I know bagi dorang it's yang macam bagus untuk
Protection.
halang-halang
Sport,
barang-barang yang
aha.
begini, bah. But sometimes because I don't understand the language kan, jadi dia bikin takut bah juga. Dia macam kasih ekstra takut tuh tempat. So macam yang
Alunan dia yang buat
Punya
kau
alunan,
takut.
ya.
Ada alunan.
I know it's a good thing dorang pasang, but
Ya.
at the same time I'm scared about it. Sama tuh barang. So saya oh my, dorang pasang terus yang macam rasa macam di movie-movie hantu tuh.
Yeah, exactly. It's
The
because they
alunan tuh
put
you're
it in a
scared
movie hantu.
because
Yeah.
of the way it's
Yeah, the way it's
Yeah.
sung.
And then
Yeah.
bacaan Yasin ni kena macam memang ada di dalam cerita hantu bah. So
Yeah, that's why.
lah kan. Every time kau dengar kau akan remember about the cerita hantu. So yeah.
Yep.
I've ever watched one movie. They used I don't know because I don't know lah. Like I don't know what the words are when they play it kan. But I see a lot of my friends who are Muslim when they hear it and they're like they're not. It's scary because they use the real one inside. Like most movies, they I think they don't. I'm not sure. I don't think they put the real one in movies, pa. Because they said not good if you hear the full one. Kalau betul-betul ada, like something happens to you. Kalau betul ada.
Oh.
So they would always take their because it's a thing you use to like get to like expel. I guess. Yeah lah. I don't really know the technicalities of all this lah. I don't know. But I know that if the thing hears it, they akan like it. They don't like it.
Begitulah.
So when that's why people are scared to watch kalau dia movie yang betul-betul kena guna dalam movie, especially watch ramai-ramai. Kalau tiba-tiba kau tengok and the lagu comes, not the lagu, the comes on, tiba-tiba kawan sebelah kau pula itu yang buat orang scared or like they're scared. What if it's in them? So
Oh my gosh.
yeah, that's why people are scared of the movies yang
Apa movie
used to
apa?
be- itulah yang like the Turkey one. Ada tuh, I've seen one, but the movie tidak
Ada.
scary.
Sichin,
Oh yeah, Sichin.
Turkish, and then Dabi.
Dabi.
Dabi,
I
I'm
haven't
not really sure,
I don't know,
but
but
those
begitu
two
lah.
saya punya favorite.
Tai kau
Tapi
lah.
tak semua dia punya tak semua dia punya movie sebab Sichin kan ada 1, 2, 3.
Apa
Tak
ni
semua
Sichin ni?
satu.
The
Malaysian
title
ni
of the
lah.
movie. Tidak international.
Turkish.
Foreign, sorry.
Oh,
foreign.
Turkish.
Turkish
It's
punya horror
Turkish?
movie.
Oh, okay.
Oh, next time
Famous
kita boleh
though.
tengok sama-sama.
So,
Yeah.
No,
I
no
don't want
thanks.
to Netflix party like that.
Bagus lah.
Close.
30
Still ada 30 menit.
Okay, V, kau close sebab kau tidak cerita.
Ya, since kau tidak cerita.
Oh, saya
This is
tidak
your
tahu kamu
airtime.
Sebab kau paling berani.
Anyways. Ya,
No.
anyways.
Saya tidak cakap saya berani, but it's just that it's
You don't
tidak
have
bagus kalau
experiences.
kamu cakap kamu berani. Nah,
I'm not gonna say
Yeah.
but I have
Yeah.
endured the physical room moving like an earthquake with a group of people. I felt that. I have already endured hasutan sebab termasuk and then I'm hearing all these things that sound like me but
Yep.
I don't know. I have already bodoh, why my room making sounds? I have endured my creepy room that makes sound and like the walls that make all the sounds even though there's nothing in that wall. And I'm gonna say it's all psychology. I'm just gonna
Wow.
say be positive.
Ya, be positive.
Be
Like, if you're
denial.
scared-
Yeah, be
not
in denial.
lah, but like if you're a scaredy cat like me, jangan pi
Mhm.
cari pasal and like just
Jangan jadi
know
macam
that
orang putih lah.
don't
Yeah.
be those
Yeah.
people.
If you heard something, run the other
jangan
way. Don't go
sabar,
to it.
jangan dicari
Jangan
pasal.
sabar.
Yeah.
True.
Jangan sabar.
I used to be that people who don't believe, and now when
Yeah.
I've experienced some of these things, I've now become like, whatever it is, I'm not gonna cabar, I'm not gonna acknowledge, I'm not gonna question, I'm just gonna be like, oh okay, and then like,
Okay. Yeah.
yeah.
Just act like you don't see it or you don't hear it. Yeah,
yeah
that's
lah.
the best
Don't be
way
a jerk
to
about it
ignore
lah. Basically, don't be a
Yeah.
jerk about it, and at the same time, don't lah.
Yeah. I mean, for me, what I think is they won't bother you until you bother
Wait,
them.
don't say it like that.
But it's true,
Some-
ba?
but sometimes
Are you
kan
saying yang saya pergi kacau dorang sampai dorang ambil muka saya?
Ah, itu
yes,
kau lah,
kau
that's
jangan
you cari
bercakap, kau
pasal.
sudah bikin takut.
Itu mungkin dia provoke like
Ya,
I don't
because
know. The
you,
one is
you
Or
guys.
maybe saya cantik sedikit kan, so that's why. Cantiknya nih budak.
Tidak kau
Dia
tau gak
bilang.
sebab apa? Kau sebab kau menari itu yang anu tuh.
Yeah, because you
sudah
guys were
malam.
asking for
No,
it.
I'm
So it's like
scared.
you're
No,
inviting it.
No, the thing is, saya bukan menari tarian tuh. I mean, saya penari, tapi saya bukan menari tarian tuh. It's
Oh.
just that masa tuh tarian tuh famous,
And
and then
then yeah.
every time orang dengar dia punya tarian, and then dia punya lagu tuh kan, so orang macam
Amigo.
histeria gitu kan. Yeah.
Mm.
They can feel the presence kalau kalau that song kena kasih main.
Mm.
Ya.
Okay.
Oh my god. Okay, I know it's closing, but I want to add this one. Anyway, pasal tuh yang tuh cerita si Biana teh pantat.
Yeah, but that's your name now.
Pasal nih movie kan, ada one time kan saya di rumah kan, and then
Hmm.
suddenly ini lagu keluar di radio. Terus punya bikin
Oh
takut, terus
my
satu orang di rumah, terus saya keluar rumah, saya tidak mau dengar tuh radio. Setiap sanggup kayak gitu tuh, Pak.
Oh, it's that song kah?
Ya, it's
What's
that
the
song,
song?
and then I go out,
Oh.
and then wait until that song limpas.
What's the song?
Oh my
It's
god,
the
bro.
from the movie.
Kasih nyanyi.
Don.
Ulang kan?
I think so.
Oh,
Is
that
that it?
one. Da-da-da-da-da.
Okay, that's enough for today. Bye.
Saya kita.
Oh.
Okay, bye.
Okay,
See you next
closing.
time.
That's it
Anyways,
for today.
everybody,
Bye bye.
share your
Okay,
horror stories,
bye.
ghost stories in the comments. Bye.
Whatever it is, be respectful.
Yeah.
Just
Don't be
respectful.
like orang putih. Go provoke the ghost, motherfucker.
It's okay.
All right.
It's all fun and games, but at the end, just be respectful. Whatever, like you can do what
Yeah.
this video, but
Yeah.
at the end of the day, be respectful.
I don't care if you skeptic kah apa kah.
Yeah.
Jangan
Don't
Yeah.
challenge it. Yeah, don't you provoke.
Okay.
You don't provoke.
Jom mari
Bye.
kita berdoa.
Okay.
Lead the way.
Tuhan Yesus.